Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will guide you on how to connect Levoit air purifier to Wi-Fi. First, you have to download VeSync application from your Play Store or App Store. You can type Levoit on the search bar, it will automatically direct you to VeSync, then you can install the application. After that, open the application. The application requires you to sign up. You can sign up with your email and then you can log in with your registered email. After the login success, now you are inside the apps. You can go to Add Device, then go to Air Quality. Then you can choose according to your device series. Mine is Levoit Core 300S. Go to Setting, allow access to nearby devices, and then turn on the Bluetooth. Go to Levoit Core 300S again, then press Next. Now to connect the Levoit device to our phone, press and hold the power button on your Levoit device for 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon flashes. Then you can select your home Wi-Fi and enter the Wi-Fi password and press Connect. You have to bring your phone closer to the Levoit device to avoid a connection failure, because sometimes it happens when we tried. After this, you can select the room and set your device name and just Next. Congrats, the connection is successful. You can connect your device to Alexa or Google Assistant, but this time we skip this. Inside the apps there are many settings that you can adjust, including schedule, on and off the device, how long you use this item, filter life monitoring, and others. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.